Welcome to this powerful summary of Atomic Habits, one of the most influential self-help books of our time. In a world full of distractions, big goals often feel overwhelming. But this book shows a different path. A path built on tiny, consistent improvements that create massive results over time. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the core ideas that can help you break bad habits, build better ones, and completely transform your life through small, simple changes. Atomic Habits is built on a simple but life-changing idea. Small habits are not just small actions. They are tiny decisions that shape your identity and your future. The author, James Clear, begins by explaining why habits matter so much. He says that success is not about huge breakthroughs, but about tiny improvements repeated day after day. Just a 1% improvement each day may seem insignificant, but over months and years, it leads to extraordinary change. One of the book's core principles is that your habits shape your identity, and your identity shapes your habits. Instead of focusing on what you want to achieve, focus on who you want to become. For example, don't try to read more books, become a reader. Don't try to exercise more, become an active person. When your habit aligns with your identity, it becomes natural and effortless. The book also introduces the 4 laws of behavior change, a simple framework to build good habits and break bad ones. 1. Make it obvious. Clear explains that many habits fail because the cues are hidden or unclear. To succeed, you must design your environment. If you want to read more, leave a book on your bed. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle on your desk. Your environment should push you toward good habits, not tempt you into bad ones. 2. Make it attractive. Habits become easier when they feel rewarding. Pair the habit you need to do with something you enjoy. For example, I will drink tea and read for 5 minutes. This makes the habit more appealing and easier to stick with. 3. Make it easy. Clear emphasizes that simplicity beats motivation. If a habit is too difficult, you won't stick to it. Start with something incredibly small. Just 2 minutes. Read 1 page, do 1 push-up, write 1 sentence. The goal is not perfection, but consistency. Once the habit is part of your routine, you can naturally increase the difficulty. 4. Make it satisfying. We repeat habits that feel good. Reward yourself after completing a positive habit. Track your progress, mark your habit on a calendar, or enjoy a small reward immediately after finishing. The more satisfying a habit feels, the stronger it becomes. The book also warns about the danger of bad habits. Just as small good habits compound positively, small bad habits compound negatively. Skipping exercise once isn't a failure, but skipping it for weeks becomes a lifestyle. Atomic Habits help you reverse negative patterns and replace them with positive ones. Another powerful idea is the plateau of latent potential. This means that progress is not always visible at first. You may work hard for weeks without seeing results, but beneath the surface, your habits are building momentum. Then suddenly, progress becomes visible. This moment is called the breakthrough. That's why patience and consistency are essential. Ultimately, the message of Atomic Habits is simple. If you master your small daily actions, you can change your identity, your mindset, and your entire life. Real success is not about intensity, it is about consistency. Thank you for watching this summary of Atomic Habits. If you found these ideas useful and want more inspiring book summaries, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us create more meaningful content to help you grow, one small habit at a time.